Hey everyone, today is March 20th, 2022, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. Today's video, I'll be doing a point of view video driving my Subaru WRX. When I had my Subaru BRZ, I did these point of view videos all the time to show you how the car is driving. I've owned my WRX for about a month now. I did a couple minor modifications to it, and it came with a lot of great mods already done to the engine. The two most recent modifications I put on my WRX was lowering springs and my new work wheels. And it made my car look so good. And lowering my car definitely lowered the center of gravity, which increased my handling, and I can definitely feel it on an everyday basis. So I use a GoPro a lot for a lot of my videos, and the GoPro I have been using for the last 6 years now has been my GoPro Hero 4 Silver. And I never had any issues with it, but I think it was time to upgrade. My fiance got me the GoPro Hero 9 for my birthday, and I'm excited to use it today. And here's the new GoPro, and what I'll be doing is I'll putting it on my head with this head mount and showing you my point of view driving my WRX. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using the GoPro. Leave a comment down below on how the quality is. We'll head down to the garage right now and get this point of view video started. And the car looks so good right now. As you can see on my new work wheels, I put the work emotion sticker on there. I wasn't sure about it at first, but yeah, I think it looks good. It's very subtle, and the fitment with my new springs and these wheels looks so good. Alright, so let's get this point of view drive going here. Yeah, it's so nice having a decent backup camera, because I'm in my BRZ. There was no backup camera. Yeah, so before we get this drive going, we'll get some Starbucks. Such a beautiful day today too. It's almost April in the Chicago area, and it's 60 degrees today. I've only had my wheel and tire set up for a short time, and the whole time I've had it's been really cold, and today's the first warm day where I can actually like feel the new grip of my tires. I have my new work emotion wheels, and the tires are 255 40 by 18s, and they're sticky tires, and it should feel really nice doing some accelerations in this car. Alright, so we're waiting in line in Starbucks right now, and really quick I'll go over the modifications I have on my car, so when I do future point of view videos, we can tell the difference between now and then. So right now, what I did recently, I lowered the car, put wheels on it. Under the engine, I have a IAG air oil separator. I have a Cobb intake. That's the SF big intake. I also have a front mount intercooler by Cobb, It's everything under the hood. I have an NVIDIA single exit catback exhaust, which sounds really good. It's not too loud, but it has a really nice tone to it. And when I'm driving in the car, there's a nice induction noise from that intake. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a downpipe and do E85 on my car to make some more power. So what I'm looking to do, I'm looking to make reliable 350, maybe a little more horsepower on this car, so it'll be a fun daily driver that has decent power. All right, we got our Starbucks and we'll get this drive going. And today, my fiance told me that today is the first day of spring, and it is a beautiful day today. Ooh, the car sounds really good today. First acceleration. Feels really good right now. It's definitely this weather, because it's been so cold outside. And it's like 60 degrees where the car is driving so well. Downshift. Let's do a couple accelerations to get this started. All right, let's do a 0 to 60 pull. Downshifts are so good. Oh, there's a cop somewhere. Like I was saying, my exhaust is not that loud, but it does sound refined. And you can hear a lot of the induction noise because that's louder than the exhaust, but let's get some exhaust clips revving the car from inside. $4,000 RPMs, 5,000, 5,500. We're gonna hop on the highway, and it sounds so good. And if you've been watching the channel for a while, you guys know I went from a BRZ that's naturally aspirated to a boosted car, and it's still weird hearing the induction noises, and I'm really enjoying the all-wheel drive turbo with this car. Sixth gear and just cruise. So just cruising on the highway, it's not that loud in here. The tires aren't that loud on the road. And the bumps are not that bad. When I initially lowered my BRZ on lowering springs before I did coilovers, the BRZ was super bumpy. But when I put my H&R springs on my WRX, exaggerated the bumps a little bit, but the bumps aren't too bad. I'm able to daily drive it, no problem. And the car looks great, it's lowered, and the center of gravity is lower, making the control of this car a lot better. And as you can tell, the exhaust, the NVIDIA exhaust I have on this car isn't too loud. But when I get on it, you can definitely hear the turbo. You can hear the induction noise a lot louder than the exhaust. So like I was saying, the next 2 performance mods I'm getting for the car, I'm gonna get a catted downpipe or J-pipe, and I'm gonna go E85 to make some power on this. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but I'm currently on a Pro Tune for my mods using the access port. And the car feels really good on the highway, just cruising and just getting on it from a dig, accelerating. It's really smooth all around. And before we go into the stores, let's do a quick walk around of my car. It's a beautiful day, and as you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt and it's so nice. Wow, it really is a beautiful day. It's 60 degrees, wearing a t-shirt, and look at my WRX right now. It's missing aero pieces, but in regards to the fitment, I don't want it too low, so I think it's perfect the way it is. I don't want to be rubbing like I was with the BRZ. My new work wheels look so good. And comment down below what you guys think of the STI wing on my WRX. I came with the car, I think it looks good, but what if I went with a GT wing? I'm not sure, I'm debating on it, but the car looks so good right now, and I couldn't be any happier with it. Alright guys, I'm ending the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of this GoPro quality. I really think it's a big jump from me going from my GoPro Hero 4 Silver to this Hero 9 Black. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my WRX and how it sounds on the inside and this GoPro footage. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get, and I'll see you guys in the next video.